Judging from its specifications, the Galaxy J7 Plus competes with Android One's Xiaomi Miles A1 and Motorola Moto G5s Plus. All three are bringing multiple cameras to a wider audience, not just for the upper class. The Galaxy J7 Plus dual camera each has a lens with a 13-megapixel sensor, f/1.7 opening, as well as 5 megapixels f/1.9 openings. The second camera with 5 megapixel resolution is useful to capture data subject of the photo and create a simulation effect of depth of field bokeh. The bokeh effect area can be set with the lid focus feature. After taking any picture, the user can set the level of bokeh or blur it. Meanwhile, on the front of the Galaxy J7 Plus there is a 16-megapixel camera with f/1.9 openings. The specifications are considered to be sufficient to support the needs of modern society's selfies. Samsung boast Galaxy J7 Plus can be counted on to vlogging or just share a video story on social media. Because the camera Galaxy J7 Plus is full HD resolution for video where the results look more clear and sharp. In terms of design, the Galaxy J7 Plus wrapped in metal all over his body. This phone is fairly thin with a thickness of only 7.9 millimeters. The display itself uses 5.5-inch AMOLED screen. The Galaxy J7 Plus, though there is in the middle range, the design is all wrapped in metal. It also distinguishes the Galaxy J7 Plus with other medium-sized phones on the market, Denny Gallant added. Another interesting feature of Galaxy J7 Plus is Dual Messenger. The feature allows users to have two chat service accounts without having to log in and log out in one smartphone. Samsung equipped Galaxy J7 Plus with the brain processing MediaTek Helio P20 chipset, 4GB RAM, and 32GB of storage media. Available external microSD slot that can be added up to 256GB. Battery capacity Samsung Galaxy J7 Plus of 3000 mAh, slightly smaller than the Galaxy J7 Pro and J7, each equipped with 3600 mAh battery. Some other Samsung flagship features are also pinned on the Galaxy J7 Plus. For example, always-on display to check the basic information: date, time, weather, schedule despite the screen is off, fingerprint scanner aka fingerprint scanner, as well as secret folders or called secured folder.